everyone, I am Priyanjita and welcome to my channel. So if you are a beginner and wondering how to apply eyeshadow, so this is the tutorial for you. I will be showing you how to apply eyeshadow step by step. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Before showing you how do I apply eyeshadow, I am going to talk about this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. This is the best budget eyeshadow palette you have in the market. You get it for around 499. I don't think at this price range there is any other palette which is offering 10 different colors with such great pigmentation. I'll quickly show you the swatches. Can you see the pigmentation of the colors? My camera isn't showing very well, but the pigmentations, I tell you, the pigmentations are very nice. The colors are buttery soft and blends really well, and you can build on the color as well. So all in all, I would highly recommend this palette. Already done my base with foundation, concealer and blush on and highlighter. Applying eyeshadow, you need obviously an eyeshadow palette, and you need 3 brushes, like one flat brush like this to pat on the eyeshadow on the lid. You can also use your fingers for doing that. The fluffy brush is very essential. Brushes like this blends the eyeshadow. It makes sure that you don't have any harsh lines. So fluffy brushes are a must for applying eyeshadow. And I have taken this brush for blending the eyeshadows in the lower lash line. So yeah, these 3 are the brushes that you need for applying eyeshadow. So the basic you need to understand is this is the lid, and this where the eyes fold is your crease line. So for the lid, I am going to take this shimmery shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on my lid. I'll blend the eyeshadow up till my crease. For the transition, I'm going to take this color from the palette, this yellow ochre color, and I'm going to use it on the crease and over my crease, and I'll blend the eyeshadow with this shimmery shade. The key to apply perfect eyeshadow is blending. You can see I am applying the transition shade on the crease and over my crease, and I'm blending it very nicely. You need to give it time and keep on blending to avoid any harsh lines, and the eyeshadows blends seamlessly. I'm going to take this cranberry shade from the palette and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. You can see the pigmentation. You can see I'm blending the colors from the outer corner till my crease. For blending, again I will be using a fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend all the colors together so that there isn't any harsh lines and the eyeshadow looks beautiful and seamless. I have blended the eyeshadows over my crease to make it appear even when I open my eyes. You can see I'm giving time to blend the eyeshadow. So blending is the only key to achieve the perfect eyeshadow. I'm going to use this cranberry shade from the palette, and I'm going to use it on the lower lash line. I'm not blending the cranberry shade up till the corners. I'm only blending it on the 3/4 part of the lower lash line, and I'm also blending it with the upper lid so that everything looks seamless. I'll quickly draw the eyeliner and fill in my brows. So you can see I have already done my eyeliner. I have already created a video on how to apply eyeliner. So make sure to check that out. The link will be given in the description box below. Now I'll be taking the same highlighter from the palette and will be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm over with applying the eyeshadow. Now I'll be simply applying the mascara. I'm using the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. This mascara is one of the best mascaras we have. This adds volume and length to the lashes and makes the eye look wider and open. For applying mascara, you need to start from the roots and wiggle so that it adds volume. As you can see, my eye makeup is complete. So I'm going to complete the look by putting on some lipstick. This lipstick is from Sugar. The shade is 03 Tan Fantasy. So yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know if you try this look out, and please do subscribe to my channel because that would mean a lot to me. And don't forget to hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, until next time, see you. Bye.